Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut a pineapple. Super easy method, you guys. This is one of the many ways how you can cut a pineapple, but this way is super savvy, super easy and very quick, you guys. So please do stay tuned and enjoy this video. So this is the lovely pineapple that I'm going to be using for this particular demonstration, you guys. The first thing that you want to do is to cut the front and the back. Make sure that you cut it straight, you guys, so that you can be able to make it sit as shown. The next step now is to peel it out. Make sure that you peel out very thin pieces, you guys. Make sure that it's very thin. Don't be wasteful. Don't be wasteful. You see why in a while, you guys. So today's shout out goes to each and every one of you guys, all my supporters. Thank you so much for 300 subs plus. My goodness. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. I really do appreciate you. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm back now, you guys. I'm back. Now, the next step is to remove the eyes. I see people call these eyes, so I don't know what you guys call them. Please do tell me in the comment section. This particular step is a little bit time consuming, so you better not be hungry, you guys. You have to be full, because if you're hungry, then you'll just finish the whole pineapple. Anyways, so you peel out these eyes. My pineapple was getting a little bit bad, so I'm sure you can see some parts are not looking very nice, but anyway, we move, you guys. So after this, you just make sure that you discard everything. Make sure that you're working in a clean and nice area. This is what we have at the moment. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that cute? So once we have our pineapple, we're going to start dividing it into 4 equal pieces. And then now remove the middle part. I don't know what this part is called. Please do tell me in the comment section once again what you guys call this middle part, but most people remove it because it is not as tasty or edible as the rest of the pineapple. So at this point, you guys, you can definitely cut it into however size you want. I was using those long sticks, so I made sure that I cut them in a particular way that is going to suit what I'm going to be using. So this is what we have at the moment. Would you look at that, you guys? In just a few minutes, you have your nice pineapple. You can definitely decorate however you want. So pineapples have so many benefits, you guys. Some of them include aiding digestion, supporting the immunity, and also boosting bone health. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. You're a real OG. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!